Chiropractic Solutions. We've got Rosa here. We're going to give her a full body adjustment. So hey, Rosa.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Alright, here we go. Yep, face down. So how are you feeling today?
Good. I'm tired.
Yeah. Long day at work?
Yes, all day.
Okay. Let's see. Help you relax a little bit here. What do you do for work again?
And the cafeteria?
Oh yeah, that's right. Rosa was really got a strong back. That's what I told her son last time she was in. Man, a lot of muscle back there. So I just like to do this to loosen up muscles a little bit. It makes the adjustment easier. Right now I'm just feeling her spine for any restrictions. Okay, right here. Come in here close, Wes. Get a close up. Alright, deep breath in. All the way out. Yep, just relax. Good. Okay. Yep, right here. All the way out. Good. One more up here. Good. There we go. I know that feels good. Okay. I'm just going to work these muscles right here, the traps, real quick. Okay. And this adjustment's for the base of the neck. Just relax. Good. Okay. Other side. Good. Alright. Now I'll adjust your pelvis, so lay on your side and face me.
Mira, nena.
Yep. You need that.
Mírame.
Need that. Yep. Yeah, I told him I was trying to learn Spanish, but I'm still working on it. Alright, here we go. Good. Just relax. Good. Okay. Alright, other side. Straighten that leg out. There we go. This one up. Good. Okay. Relax the shoulder. There we go. Good. One more here. Okay. Alright. Face up. Boca arriba. Arriba? Right?
Arriba.
Arriba. Now I'm checking her cervical spine. Got C1 here on the left. Just relax. Good. Okay. Relax. Good. Now we'll do the arms. The wrist. fingers. Okay. Just relax. Good. Ankles. Now this adjustment, actually, you can feel it from the ankle all the way into the hip and the lower back. Feels good after being on your feet all day, huh?
Yes.
Good. Alright. Lift you up. Frankenstein table. See the light.
See?
Okay. Alright, then sit here. Yep, butt here. Then lay back.
Over there?
Yep. And legs up. On your back. There you go. Yep. Like, yep. Slide down some. A little more. Okay. Good. Alright. Lift your head up for me. Yep. Back down. Just relax. Yep. Keep your mouth closed. Tighten that a little bit.
Oh my goodness.
Good. Good. Feel that all the way down. Alright. Still kicking. Good. Okay, lift your legs up for me. Okay. Sit up. There we go. Face that way. Okay. Shoulder joint. Good. Okay, we got one more. Sit like that. Yep. Link your fingers together. Good. Okay. Now lean back on me. Yep. Pinch your elbows together. Yep. Good.
Oh my goodness.
Awesome. All right, Rosa. What do you like
So
that?
good.
Tell them how it feels.
I'm feeling so good.
So
Fine.
good. So good. Awesome. Thanks. God bless you.
Good.